Welcome to IRIAN MECATRONICS, a French SME specializing in designing and providing high-pressure, high-temperature, specific equipment tailored to meet the specific needs of your scientific research or industrial applications. As a researcher, you benefit from our team's expertise in automation, mechanics, computing, electronics, and instrumentation, all dedicated to developing the precise test solutions you need. We support your global projects with custom equipment, helping drive scientific and industrial innovations across all academic and industrial fields by addressing your unique challenges.
Here are examples of custom solutions we've created, showcasing our expertise in designing tailored test systems for various research needs. One example is this test bench simulating turbulent flow with drag reducer agents to study fluid dynamics under controlled conditions. This expertise applies to research areas such as material science, environmental engineering, or energy systems. Another example is this high-pressure dual syringe pump, designed for precise fluid injection and mixing under high pressure. This expertise extends to automated mixing, material testing under pressure, or custom fluid handling for various research applications. And another example of our expertise is a bioelectrochemical reactor system with ion exchange membrane, designed for controlled reactions under high pressure. While focused on bioenergy, fluid treatment, and electrochemical processes, this know-how can be extended to other scientific fields, supporting complex biological or chemical applications. Our expertise in fluid rock interaction studies enables us to design custom systems for high-pressure fluid behavior testing. This know-how can be applied to various research areas, including fluid dynamics, material behavior, or process simulations. Our high-pressure PVT cell system analyzes fluid behavior under pressure, focusing on phase transitions and solubility. This expertise can be applied to the design of other equipment in fields such as thermodynamics, material behavior, or environmental fluid dynamics. We also have the capability to design and manufacture custom pumps tailored to specific needs. Whether for high-pressure, high-temperature environments or specialized fluid handling, we can create pumps to meet the exact requirements of your research or industrial applications.
Thank you for your time. For more information or to take the next step in your research, contact us via email, phone, or visit our website. We look forward to collaborating with you.